Bring it back.
Hi y'all, I'm back with a new YouTube video. I'm good, how are you? So I just put my contact lenses on and I can see through your soul. Oh my god. So I'm just going to remind you, because it's still quarantine, stay safe, stay inside, and please be informed always of what's happening right now. Keep your hands clean. Always wash your hands with soap and sanitize it with more hand sanitizer and alcohol. So I'm about to get ready. Boom. Yes, ma'am. Woo. Amen. So I'm going to fix my hair because it's a mess. As you can see, I'll be back in a minute. There, we are good. We are ready to put some makeup on our faces. Let's get to the masterpiece. Yes. Okay. There. I'm going to wipe my face to remove all the oils and dirt on my face. And yeah, just going to wipe it off. And then I'm going to use this foundation as a concealer. I'm just going to pump it 3 times only, and then yeah, I'm going to put that all over my face. As you can see, just like a concealer, just put on your dark spots and your blemishes and anything. And yeah, I'm going to blend that using my fingers only, and as you can see, I'm going to blend it more with my fingers. And then I'm going to use that foundation again. I'm going to pump one more time to get my skin tone as the same tone as the face. So yeah, that's what I did. So I'm going to put some lip balm on my lips to keep it moisturized while I'm working on my makeup. So the first thing that I'm going to do is going to use this lipstick, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelids. Just going to put that on my eyelids all over, and do it that more and more until I get that color, as you can see, when it's very bold looking. And then I'm going to use this liquid lipstick. I'm just going to put that on the outer part of my eyelids, and then I'm going to blend it using my fingers only. Blend that, and doing the same thing again as what I did earlier. Just going to put more of that product to give it more bold kind of shade of color. So yeah, I'm going to use this concealer. So yeah, I'm going to use this concealer. I'm going to put that on my middle part of my eye, and then yeah, I'm going to blend that with my fingers. As you can see, be careful with this, guys. I just put one straight streak of that concealer, and as you can see earlier I was struggling to open that. So I'm going to use that yellow eyeshadow, and I'm going to use my eyeshadow brush. I'm going to put that where I put my concealer earlier, and put that product more and more until you get that color that you wanted. So oops, wrong end. I'm going to use this angle brush, and then I'm going to use another liquid lipstick, and I'm going to put that product on my brush, and then I'm going to use that as my eyeliner. So what I'm going to do with this kind of style of eyeliner, I'm going to do it in a cat more like a cat eyeliner. You will get it when I made this look. So do that until you get satisfied to the look. As you can see there, after you do all that, you must have this look. So be careful, guys. You must let it dry because it will be a disaster when you don't dry that eyeliner that you did, because it will mess up your eye makeup. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to do this. Oh my gosh, I forgot what this is called, but yeah, yes, I'm going to tight line my eyes. Whoop. So that part is optional. If you don't want to tight line your eyes, it's okay, you don't have to do that. So I'm going to put my blush on, and as always, I'm going to make it more like a drunk blush. I'm going to put that all over my cheeks and to my nose bridge, and I'm going to make it pop. So I just realized I'm using this wrong brush that I put to my cheeks, so I'm just having fun, that's all. So yeah, and I found the technique to not to put my mega eyeshadow on my face again earlier. So I'm just bronzing my face because I don't have contour. So yeah, I'm going to use the same lipstick that I used earlier. I'm going to put that on my lips and blending using my fingers. And I'm going to use another lip product. I'm going to put that on my inner part of my lips. I'm sorry you cannot see to the camera, but it's supposed to have look like this, more like a ombre kind of shade. So yeah, I'm going to put my mascara, and I realize I have to do this off camera because my hair is not cooperating with me. So I'm going to let it dry for a while before curling it. I'm going to use this highlighter strobe, and I'm going to put that the tip of my nose bridge, the sides of my cheeks, the inner corners, my brow bone, and the top of my eyebrows. Yeah, anything that you really where to put your highlighter is. So yeah, anyways, this is the star of the show. I have a eyeliner, pink Panther eyeliner. I bought it from Miniso. Yeah, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to stamp this on my face. It's a duo eyeliner kind of thing. It's eyeliner and has a stamp of a paw print of Pink Panthers. So yeah, as you can see, it's so cute. So yeah, I put 2 stamps on my sides of my cheeks and 1 on the underside. So as you can see, I'm now curling my eyelashes, and now the last step is I'm going to powder it all off with a baby powder because I don't have setting powder. So baby powder is very a great substitute for setting powder. So as you can see, I'm just retouching my hairstyle, and this hairstyle is very inspired from Bratz Fashion Pixies. So yeah, I just put some pink hairband on my head, and boom, there we go. And yeah, that's it, and I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.